Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 4. You know what's the name of the chapter? Test of divisibility. What's the name of the chapter? Tests of divisibility. Test of divisibility, chapter 4, test of divisibility. You know divisibility means divided by the division numbers, division. Now, first we are going to study divisible by 2. You know what is the rule of 2? A number is divisible by 2 if one's place number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That already we know all the given numbers are divisible by 2. Don't forget the divisibility rules. It is very important. What's the divisibility rule of 2? A number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or you can say direct an even number is divisible by 2. For example, 243. It is divisible by 2? No. Why? Because it is not end with these 5 numbers. That means or it is not even number. So it is not divisible by 2. 2308. Can you divisible by 2? Yes, because it is 8 ones place. So it is divisible by 2. Now next number, divisibility rule by 5. Second one by 5. You know what is the table of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What is in ones place number, students? Ones place 5, 0, 5, 0, 0 like that. So a number end with 0 or 5 is can be divisible by 5. Once more, what is the divisibility rule of 5? A number's ones place number is 0 or 5, then we can divisible by 5. For example, 380. What is the ones place number? 0. Yes, it is divisible by 5. 4123. What is the ones place? 3. It is not divisible. If it is 5, yes, it is divisible. If it is 3, no. If it is 4, no. Only ones place number is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Easy now. Then another one very important one. Third one, divisible by 10. Think it what is 10's table? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. What is the ones place number, students? Look, 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the ones place? Ones place is 0. Yes, no? So a number end with 0, it is divisible by 10. Don't forget the rules. Any number end with 0. 5782. What is the ones place number? 2. It is divisible by 10? No. Now, yes, a ones place or ones place number is 0, it is divisible by 10. Understood one of these three rules? 2, 5, 10. 2, a number all even numbers are divisible by 2. 5 means one's number is 0 or 5. Now, next rule is 3 and 9. What's the next rule which is going to teach? 3 and 9 divisible by 3 and 9. Don't forget the rules for 1. For example, 1125. These numbers we have to plus it. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. Then we have to write the answer. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. Then this number is divisible by 3 and 9. That means when we are getting the question, we have to sum of the digits. What's the mean? Sum means we have to plus. Our answer is the multiple of 3 or 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3 and 9. One more example. 2051 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 3 की टेबल में 8 आते क्या बेटा? No. 9 आते? No. So it is not divisible by 3 and 9. Both 3 and 9 is same. But what you have to do? We have to add the digits. One more example. 7051. 7 plus 751. 7 plus 5 plus 1. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 3 की टेबल में आते हैं? No. 9 की टेबल में आते हैं? No. 3 4s are 12. 9 2s are 18. So it is not divisible by 3 and 9. 3's rules and 9's rules both are same. Understood now 3's and 9's rules. Now next rule is flipped rule by 4 and 6. First we will show you by 4. A number tens and ones place number is divisible by 4. For example, 2018. What is its ones and tens place? 18. 18 4 की टेबल में आते हैं बेटा? No. So this number is not divisible by 4. 5724. What is that ones and tens place? We have to take ones and tens place. Don't forget the rule. We have to take 2 digits, last 2 digits. 24. 24 is coming in 4's table. Yes, 4 6 are 24. So this number is divisible by 4. Understood now 4's table? Don't forget what's the rule of 4? A number end with 4's tables. That means ones and tens. End with 2. Last 2 digits you have to take. The ones place and tens place. This is the multiple of 4. Then yes, it is divisible. Now 6. 6 means we have to use the 2's table and 3's table. What's the 2's table? All even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 100 to 1205. It is divisible by 2? No. Why? Because it is not an even number. Then no need to check because it is not divisible by another number. 3200. It is divisible by 2? Yes. It is divisible by 2. Then we have to check by 3. What's the rule of 3? We should plus this number. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. It is divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 6. What's the rule of 6? We have to check by which 2 rules? 2 and 3. Now today only this much is enough for tables rules, or you have to by heart these rules. What are these rules? 2 divisible by 3, divisible by 5, divisible by 10, divisible by 4 and divisible by 6. But once more, what's the divisibility rule of 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2. What's the divisible rule of 3? You should add the digits. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. If you are getting 3 step. Next one is what is 5? One's place number is 0 or 5. What is the rule of 10? One's place number 0. What's the rule of by 4? How many digits we have to take? Last 2 digits. Which 2 digits? Tens and ones place. Then 6 by 2 and 3. Now can we do the exercise 4.1? Yes, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Look here. One box is written there, but then one first question already done it. Then 4554. First here 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. These are the divisible rules we have to check. This will show you 2 questions. 2280. First we have to check by which number? 2. Only see the ones place number. It is even number? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Next 3. How to check 3? You should add the digit. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 is coming in 3's table. Yes, 3 6 are 18. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Next, by which rule we have to take? 4. 4. What is the rule of 4? 1's and 10's place. What is 1's and 10's place? 54. You have to check it. Look here. 4 1's are 4. 14. 4 3's are 12. Remainder is coming. So it is not divisible by 4. If it is remainder is 0, yes, it is divisible by 4. 13 4's are 52. So now look here, it is not divisible by 4. Next, by which number? 5. What is the rule of 5? 1's place number is 0 or 5. What is the 1's number? 4. So it is not divisible. Then 6. What is the divisibility rule of 6? A number is divisible by 2 and 3. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 6. 9. Sum of the digits. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 can be divided with 9. Yes. 10. What's the 10's rule? A number's 1's place is 0. 1's place is 0. No, it is not divisible. Last one more question which I will show you. 2. Yes. 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 is divisible by 3? No. Then 88. 88 is divisible by 4. How to check? 88 divided by 4. 4 2's are 8. Then 8, 4 2's are 8. 0. Remainder is 0. If you are dividing, you are getting remainder 0. Yes, it is divisible. You can write. Then 5. No. Why? Because 1's place is 8. 6. It is divisible by 3? No. A number is divisible by 2 and 3. Then only we have to divide it by 6. So it is not divisible. 9. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 8, 12. 8, 20. 20 9 के table में आता है? No. It is not divisible. 10. 10's 1's place is 8. No. It is not divisible. Like that we can do in the book only, students. Now understood now this exercise? Easy now? Okay. Now we are going to do next some more divisibility rules in exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Now first divisible by 2. Now we are going to study divisible by 8, divisible by 25, divisible by 11, then 12, 15, 18. 12, 15 and 18. First we are going to study by 8. First by 8. A number is divisible by 8 is 1's, 10's and 100 place. For example, 2312. 1's, 10's and 100 place. 3 numbers we have to take. Then we have to check it. 312 divided by 8. 8 3's are 24, 52, 8 6 are 48, remainder 4. It is divisible? No. Why? Because the remainder is 4. If you are getting remainder 0, then only it is. So this is not divisible by 8. Once more, what is the rule of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if it is 1's, 10's and 100 place number divisible by 8. So we have to take the last 3-digit number, then we have to divide with 8. If you are getting remainder 0, then we can say it is divisible. Now next one is 25 by 25. Can you say what's the 25's rules? A number is 10's and 100 ones place. 2275. What is in tens and hundreds place? 75. 75 divided by 25. 25 3s are 75. We got remainder 0. Yes, it is divisible by 25. What is the rule once more? Ones and tens place is divisible by 25. One more example. 30,124. Which is the last two digits? 24. 24 is divisible by 25? No. 25 ones are 21. Now this 2 divisible. Next divisible by 11. 11 is little difficult. All the students now look here. 5,785. You have to एक एक digit जोड़कर आपको प्लस करना है. A1 then 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. अभी जो नंबर आपने प्लस नहीं करा वो लेना है. ये दोनों लेना है. 8 plus 5 13. अभी ये दोनों के डिफरेंस. What do you mean by difference? Difference means minus. 13 minus 12. What is the difference? 1. 11 की टेबल में आते क्या बेटा? No. If you are getting the multiples of 11 or 0 or 0. For example, here if you are written plus 5 12, then here 4. 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 12 0. Then we can say yes, it is divisible by 11. One more example. 1,127,893. Which numbers we have to take? 3. एक digit छोड़कर लिखना है. 8 then 2. Look here. 2 plus 8 plus 3. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. अभी कौन से नंबर प्लस करना बेटा? हमें जो नंबर नहीं दे रही वो नंबर 9 7 और 1. 1 plus 7 plus 9 17. अभी ये दोनों क्या करना? माइनस करना. 17 minus 13 4. 4 11 की टेबल में 4 आते हैं क्या? No. So it is not divisible. So this is the divisibility rule of which one? 11. One more example. 1 8 3 9 2. Which numbers we have to add first? 2 3 and 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6. Now which number? हमने जो नंबर प्लस नहीं करा वो नंबर 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 17. अभी दोनों क्या करना बेटा? माइनस करना. We have to find the difference. 17 minus 6 11. 11 ones are 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Understood now? So you have to, many questions are written in your book. You have to practice it. Now 8 is over, 25 is over, 11 is over. Next which one? 12. 12 is very easy. A number is divisible by 3 and 4. What's the rule of 12 students? A number divisible by 3 and 4. That number is divisible by 12. You know what's the rule of 3? Sum of the digits. 2,234. You have to write 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. It is divisible by 3. Then we have to check by 4. 34. 34 की टेबल में 8 आते हैं. 4 8s are 32. So this number is not divisible by 4. But it is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 12. Once more, what's the rule of 12? A number is divisible by 3 and 4. Next, last one is, second last one is 15. The rule of 15 is also same like 50. A number divisible by 3 and 5. Already now teacher is told the 3's table. Then we have to use a 5's table. What is a 5's table? Number end with the 0 or 5. 3,752. This number is divisible by 5? No. So it is not divisible by 15. Now last one is 18. 18. What's the rule of 18? Use the 9 rules of 9 and 2. What's the rule of 9? Sum of the digits. What's the rule of 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2321. What is it? Is even number or odd number? It is the odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 18. So now we have to practice all the divisibility rules, all rules written in the book also. Okay students, see you in next class.